Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Miami travel tips and cruise ports. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey. First off, let's talk about Miami's cruise port. The Port of Miami is the world's largest cruise port, handling over 4 million passengers each year. It's conveniently located in downtown Miami, making it easy to explore the city before or after your cruise. Now, let's move on to some Miami travel tips. One of the most important things to remember is to plan your trip ahead of time. This will help you make the most of your time in Miami and ensure that you don't miss out on any of the city's amazing attractions. Another tip is to consider staying in a hotel that offers a shuttle service to the cruise port. This will save you time and money on transportation. Plus, many hotels in the area offer great deals for cruise passengers. When it comes to exploring Miami, there are plenty of things to do. If you're a fan of art, head to the Wynwood Art District, which is home to some of the most vibrant street art in the world. For a taste of history, visit the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a stunning 1916 estate with lush gardens and European-inspired architecture. If you're looking for some fun in the sun, head to South Beach. This iconic beach is known for its stunning white sand, turquoise waters, and Art Deco architecture. When it comes to food, Miami has something for everyone. For a taste of Cuban cuisine, head to Little Havana. For a more upscale dining experience, check out the Design District, which is home to some of the city's best restaurants. Lastly, if you're a fan of nightlife, Miami is the place to be. From the famous South Beach clubs to the trendy bars of Wynwood, there's no shortage of places to let loose and have a good time. In conclusion, Miami is a city that offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for art, history, sun, or nightlife, you'll find it here. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Miami adventure today. Thank you so much for joining me on this Miami travel tips and cruise port journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting travel content. Safe travels, everyone! Now let's continue to talk about where to stay in Miami and why people love visiting this vibrant city. So, let's dive right in. Miami is a city that truly has it all, from stunning beaches and tropical weather to world-class dining and shopping experiences. It's no wonder that millions of visitors flock to this city every year. When it comes to accommodation, Miami offers a wide range of options to suit every budget and preference. Whether you're looking for a luxurious beachfront resort, a cozy Airbnb in a bustling neighborhood, or a budget-friendly hotel near the action, you'll find it all in Miami. But why do people love visiting this city so much? Well, Miami is a melting pot of cultures, with a diverse population that contributes to its unique vibe. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, with world-famous clubs and bars dotting the landscape. Miami is also a foodie's paradise, with a plethora of restaurants serving up delicious cuisine from all over the world. And let's not forget about the stunning beaches. Miami is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, with crystal clear waters and soft, white sand. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach or try out water sports, Miami has it all. So if you're planning a trip to Miami, you're in for a treat. Remember to book your stay in advance and enjoy all that this amazing city has to offer. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more to Duchess DJ Love, gallivanting like a royal for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels. Now let's summarize. Today, some of the top Miami travel tips to help you make the most of your trip. Miami is a vibrant city with so much to offer, from its stunning beaches to its lively nightlife. So let's dive in and explore the best Miami has to offer. From the iconic South Beach to the vibrant Little Havana, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to check out the Miami Design District and the Wynwood Walls for some unique experiences. For more travel inspiration, be sure to visit gallivantinglikearoyal.com. We'll see you at Miami. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to Duchess DJ Love and Gallivanting Like a Royal for more travel tips and adventures. Safe travels!